Vlogmas day 12, 10 and 2. My darlings, you're welcome to today's Vlogmas video. I hope you guys have been enjoying my Vlogmas videos so far. Today is day 12 and yeah, although the day has gone, like it's almost gone, okay, this is evening and I'm about to make dinner for my girls, my darlings. I'll be making pancake for my girls. Before I go further, if this is your first time of clicking on my video, you are welcome to Becky the Mommy's YouTube channel. Thank you very much. I really do appreciate you for clicking on this video. And I would love you to join the family, please. And how do you do that? It's very simple, my darling. Just tap on the subscribe button. And after you do that, do not forget to also tap on the notification bell so you get notified each time I drop a new video. Okay, my darlings? And to my return subscribers, you guys are amazing. Thank you so much for the continuous love shown to my channel. Thank you for the likes, for the views, for the comments. You guys are amazing. Thank you so much, guys. Now, my darlings, let's get right into the video. My girls, they're in their room, of course, watching cartoon. Yeah, so mommy's gonna make dinner for everybody, not just the girls. Yeah, for my girls and for myself, of course. Hubby is not around, so yeah, I'm just making this dinner for my girls and for myself. So my darlings, I'll introduce you guys to the ingredients. So guys, in here is chicken. I've already steamed it.
Mommy, something's very nice.
It's chicken. Yes, baby. You want banana? You want banana too? Okay.
It's sweet too.
So girls, we're gonna be making yummy
Dinner.
Yummy
Dinner.
Who's ready to make dinner?
I.
Okay, let's start. Ooh, let me show them the ingredients, okay?
Okay.
Girls,
Yes, mommy.
are you ready to tell us the ingredients?
Yes. Banana.
Okay. Continue, Bella.
Pineapple.
Okay.
Beetroot.
Okay.
Eggs.
Okay.
Vanilla.
Bella, can you pronounce that again?
Pineapple.
Bella, what is this called?
Vanilla.
Can you touch it and tell me the name?
Vanilla.
Good. Vanilla flavor.
But what is this thing?
It's called a juicer.
Juicer.
Well done, girls. Clap for yourself.
Pam, 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 pam.
Clap for yourself.
Pam, pam.
cracked, Bella. Crack it again. Crack it.
Crack it very easy.
Crack it.
Crack it. Oh, Bella. I did it. No.
Say it again.
I did it. Wait, let me make.
Okay, my darlings, doesn't this just look good? I mean, take a good look at this pancake. I mean, banana pancake. My darlings, one of the amazing things about banana is it is very rich in nutrients. I mean, it contains vitamin A, which helps in kids' vision, and also it contains potassium, which also helps in the growth of bones, and it also strengthens it. Okay, now my darlings, the most amazing thing about banana is it is very, very filling. And the most interesting part of it all is that I paired this yummy meal with a very highly nutritious packed juice made out of beetroot and pineapple fruits. About your food.
Thank you, Mommy.
You're welcome. Say my your food.
Thank you, Mommy.
Bella, wait, let me cut it for you.
Mommy's yummy. It's yummy.
You like it? Wow. Well done, baby. Oh yeah, finish your water. So now you finish your water.
I want some more water.
You do what?
I want
What's the magic word? Drink your juice. Finish your juice. Finish it. Since I must finish that juice. Okay, my darlings, we have obviously come to the end of today's Vlogmas video. My guests are full. As you can see, they obviously enjoyed their meal. Thank you guys for watching, and I hope to see you tomorrow, day 13.